Good morning and welcome to another grand walking tour. So today I'm going to walk down the Liffey. I haven't actually done this walk, not that I know of. So I'm starting here at Cable Street. Let's see if I can get that angle a bit better. There we go. Starting at Cable Street, and then I'm going to walk all the way down to O'Connell Street and then walk back up. So they're going to be 5-minute videos, so there's going to be a few series. I'm going to stroll a bit just to take in the sights, you know, enjoy the view. This is a Sunday morning, January 9th, I'm going to say. And yeah, so this is Cable Street here, basically on the other side. And yeah, just take a chill walk on a Sunday morning. I'm going to see the streets. I'm going to hopefully not die here. Right, victory, I didn't die. Right, there we go. Nice new scenery back again. So, doing an early morning because of several reasons. Number one, I get home early enough to start editing days. Number two, less people around. And with COVID increase, it's just easier. I still have my mask on. And I'm basically isolating from today onwards because I have a PCR test to determine if I can go to Thailand or not within 72 hours. So you've probably known if you watch my other videos, because it's the only thing I can talk about. So as you can see, this is man-made. It was built in the year 1800 and something or other. Yeah, just built up, and you can kind of see the water line there from where it normally does be. The Liffey's pleasantly flowing away. And there's a seagull. How are you, seagull? Yeah, so if you have some time, you know, it's a nice walk, you know. Now you probably walk this way actually going up to Guinness Brewery, or there's an art museum on the north side close to the Houston station, or you're probably taking the Lewis, which runs behind these buildings, one block behind. And plenty of stops to get off, plenty of shopping centres, local shops, pubs, restaurants. Like, you're in the heart of Dublin city centre. So there's nothing that you're not really missing out on much, except for a bit of space. I'll lift that up a bit. Yeah, it's a cold one this morning now, I have to say. It's probably around 4 or 5 degrees Celsius. Hopefully you can still see. And then we'll do a cross up on the other side, looking over this way. Just a quick sneaky visit into town, and then get out before the traffic starts. Get home, make my lunch, edit, upload some videos, and then just chill. You can probably see, I don't know if you can see it on the camera there now, but you can probably see the spire in the background. That's O'Connell Street. We'll see how busy it is, but I don't think I'll be going up that way. Jeez, my breathing's terrible. Normally I do like 5k in the morning, no problem. Could be because I have the mask and I'm talking. I don't normally talk when I'm walking. So This was Essex Key. Or as I used to call it when I was younger, Essex Quay. Because that's how you phonetically spell the name. Right, hold on, we might be alright. One-way street.